Hello, and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is introducing myself. You will listen to a short story about a woman. She will introduce herself and will give us personal information about her family and her life. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check on your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on the key information. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, my name is Emily. I'm 40 years old and I live in a small town in the United States. I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I was born in New York City, but now I live in a town called Greenfield. It's very quiet here and I love it. The weather is nice and there are many parks and trees. I live in a small house with my husband Tom and our two children, Lily and Ben. Tom is 42 years old and he works in a big office in the city. He is very busy, but he loves his job. Lily is 9 years old and Ben is 6. Lily loves to draw and Ben loves to play with his toys. I work as a nurse. I help people when they are sick or hurt. I work in a hospital in the city. My job is very important to me because I like to help people feel better. Sometimes it's a hard job, but I enjoyed it a lot. In my free time, I like to read books. My favorite books are about history and travel. I also enjoy cooking. I like cooking Italian food, especially pasta. On weekends, my family and I go for walks in the park. We also visit my parents who live not far from us. I have 2 sisters and we like to spend time together. I think it's important to take care of our health. I try to stay active by walking and eating healthy food. I feel very lucky because I have a nice family and a lot of friends. That's a little bit about me. Thank you for listening. Now let's check your understanding. Answer these questions. What is the speaker's name? The speaker's name is Emily. How old is she? She is 40 years old. Where does she live now? She lives in a small town called Greenfield in the United States. How many children does Emily have? Emily has 2 children, Lily and Ben. What is Emily's job? Emily works as a nurse in a hospital. What does Emily like to do in her free time? Emily enjoys reading books and spending time with her family. If you answered correctly to all these questions, you have done a very good job. Keep working and see you next time. Bye-bye.